Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR with another repair guide. Today we are going to show you how to replace the rear camera on iPhone SE 2020. First, turn off the phone, then undo two bottom screws by using pentalobe screwdriver. To take out the screen, you need a good suction cup. In here, we are using a double-sided suction cup to lift the front assembly, and a plastic car pry tool for separation and loosen up rubber gaskets on the frame. Carefully work around on edges and keep in mind, do not put too much force to lift up the screen. It may damage internal flex cables. For the camera repair, it is not required to disconnect the LCD and touch connectors, but separating may prevent damages to the cable while doing the repair. Separate the front screen to the right, then move to the bottom section. Remove 4 screws and take out the metal shield, then undo both LCD and touch connectors. Move to the top section near the camera. Remove 3 screws and take out the metal shield. This is the front camera assembly connector. Disconnect the module. Now you can separate both front screen and rear cover sides. Okay, now on the back cover module, let's undo the rear camera. Take out 2 screws and the shield, then disconnect the rear camera. For the replacement, we are using iPhone 8 rear camera, which is also compatible with iPhone SE 2020. Replace the camera and make sure it works. To turn on the phone, plug in both LCD and touch connectors. Looks good, the camera is working. Let's move all parts together, starting at top right with the camera protector plate by inserting screws. Then plug in the front camera assembly connector and add the protector shield by inserting screws. bottom right, connect the touch connector first, then followed by the LCD connector. Then we can add the shield back by inserting screws. Now we can climb up the phone. Click in the top section first, then simultaneously click in sides and the bottom. Just make sure to put pressure on frame sides. Prior to inserting two bottom screws, make sure the touch and home button responds. That's the camera replacement. Let us know if you have queries. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button for more repair guides.